It is pushing 100 degrees out here today, but inside, this window AC unit is throwing out ice-cold 54-degree air. The kicker? It's pulling less power than a couple of traditional incandescent light bulbs, under 100 watts. You don't need a $20,000 ground-source geothermal contract, and you don't need a massive overpriced power wall to survive the heat. All it takes is 4 55-gallon drums, a roll of 3 4-inch PEX pipe, a quick plumbing trick, and a basic $50 tool setup. Today, I'm breaking down the raw, no BS blueprint on why burying 220 gallons of water creates a closed-loop grid-killer heat exchanger. We're doing it the BREEDLOVES way. Real measurements, step-by-step assembly, and zero vague details left out. Let's get right into it. First up, the barrels. Do not go out and buy these brand new for $80 or $90 a piece. Log on to Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. You can regularly pick up 55-gallon poly drums for $5 to $10 each from local food processors, car washes, or farm suppliers. When you pick them up, flip them upside down and look for the HDPE2 stamp or the food grade symbol. If they stored food syrup, juice, or liquid livestock feed, all you have to do is rinse them out with a hose and a little dish soap. Now, let's talk about digging the hole. You need to get these barrels buried deep enough so the earth can act as your natural heat sink. We are aiming for 6 feet deep down to the bottom of the trench. That places the tops of your 3-foot drums sitting a solid 3 feet beneath. Down at that depth, the soil stays a constant 52 to 58 degrees year-round, regardless of how hot it gets up top. If digging a giant hole by hand sounds miserable, use my 1 hole a day rule. It takes 4 days and costs $0. Here is where most DIY attempts fail miserably. Bad fluid circulation. If you just drop 2 short pipes into one barrel, the water short circuits. Here is the exact manifold design for a 4-barrel, 220-gallon bank. First, drill your bung caps using a step bit for your fittings. Inside barrel 1, your main supply-in pipe from the house drops straight down, almost to the bottom, at 4 feet 9 inches long. On the other side of barrel 1, your transfer pipe sits high at just 12 inches deep. This forces cool water out the top. You repeat this exact deep to shallow pattern through barrel 2, barrel 3, and barrel 4, creating over 200 gallons of thermal mass. By the time water reaches the high pickup tube in barrel 4, the soil has stripped the heat, leaving cold 55-degree water. Now, let's run your lines into the house. Run 2 insulated 3 4-inch PEX lines up along your house wall. Slip foam pipe insulation over both lines to stop ground chill from escaping into the summer air. Grab a standard 12-volt DC RV diaphragm water pump. These are self-priming, super quiet, and draw very few amps. Put a $10 PWM DC motor speed controller in line. Why? Because water flow speed directly dictates heat transfer. To transfer that cold water, remove the front plastic shroud of your standard window AC unit. Mount a small $25 liquid-to-air copper heat exchanger directly in front of the AC fan blades. When you backfill your 6-foot trench, pack coarse concrete sand around the sides of all 4 barrels for better conduction. There you have it, a grid-killer cooling system. Hit subscribe for part 2 and I'll see you on the next project.